lo secretary yakani koro pache moro ni gakuda tinde akodwara wanaona kama nutu
nango
akia
so sudi ni beka wana irwake maber ahero kaka kirwake
ma rwakruok ne always priority mara mokwongo mer ng'ino bedo mana importer koa Dubai
maber aneno nyakendi velvet kai eno maber ahinya
ma beche rach beche ng'ini nyalo pidhi kata achiel kapod chiema bech koti mineno ni
maber ahinya ng'eni ahero kaka kirwake emomiyo to Chatelo nago mune achor ne komne machiegni
chuni ko
to koro onegi bia ni lima inene kuma dake
biro li
to koro wanyalo dhi kata
kawuono abokoni chieng' wabi chieng' tich abich
to koro ang'ono kawuono to ang'o marach
kawuono tok ma musadi saa 8 sarach saa 10 chiegni to nitie kuma onego na adhi kapok oromo saa 9 mondo mi ka saa 10 oromo taduog mondo walor tich koro tok loro tich ting'eni nyaka adhi akaw mamano kadhi e ot koro wabedo tich abich sawa
to mamano dhi kodi nang'o
mano mago family issues family affairs mago kodonje koro tich abich wabodhi sawa
Since the boss left, you've been mistreating us here. Just I'm assuring you, when the boss will come, you will find it right. Because there is no way we can be asking you for
our shut up.
No, when the boss was here, he was giving us
the same issue that I told you, Mr. Boss. In Likwambia, I'm not feeling well, but you've not even be concerned about it.
Feeling well, my food?
I'm not feeling well.
Feeling well, my food?
And when the boss comes,
who will do your work? Who will do your work? If
but I'm sorry.
Will you please shut up?
A lot of clients are complaining. The data that was supposed to be submitted yesterday, the email has returned, but you have not even received it.
He is a dictator.
Who is a dictator?
You.
How are we supposed to work in this office? I told the boss to just choose
Don't you have mercy? Don't you have humanitarian grounds?
I'm assuring you, when the boss comes, you'll find it on a hard way.
Hard way, my food?
No problem. You can be as rude as you think you are. But let's wait for the boss to come. No problem. Just be rude as the way you are.
We shall see who will be sent out of this office.
Thank you.
You will be the one going.
Because you cannot mistreat us. Listen, our employee is very sick. You denied him a chance to go and seek medical attention.
Continue talking, my friend.
Look at the way he's sitting.
And we are in the office. In the road, I should take a picture so that I show our boss. Okay, you think it's
Stop it. Stop whatever you want to do.
You stand my legs there, you see.
You are a dictator. You'll go.
Who is a dictator? Who is a dictator?
Go to boss.
We will see. Let's wait and see. I think he's coming today.
So let him come.
Giving me the permission to go.
We are really waiting.
You are going nowhere, my friend.
I want to go.
You are going nowhere.
No, just leave him alone. Just leave him alone. Let us follow.
There are some things here.
You can go. You can go.
You go. We are going.
Use authority.
But Mr. Boss,
get out of my office. Get out, please.
No problem. But we must
get out.
But we must report you to our boss.
Go.
Wow.
what's the problem?
Welcome, Mr. Boss. How are you?
How
are you, Johnny Boss?
Good.
Yes.
Kate.
Hey,
my boss.
You are working.
Yeah, it was fine. Steve.
Yes, sir.
Nice work.
Work is okay, sir.
Stop lying.
Yes, you've been doing good.
Stop lying.
Lying what?
You are
I can
lying.
report to you, sir, that he's lying. He's a liar.
A very big and a dictator.
This morning I'm not feeling you just see.
Hey, report Raj.
Man. Clients will complain?
Kabisa.
You overcharge one of the clients. I don't know if you wanted to your bill yake.
My boss.
Yes.
This Mr. Steve. Number one, he has been overcharging clients.
Yes.
Number two, he has not been giving us allowances the way he used to give us.
No.
Number three, he has denied our fellow employee a chance to.
So the price that I was given is the price that I was charging. This
no, stop lying. We are here and we saw what you're doing.
Yes.
Mr. Steve,
No.
just tell the boss the reality.
We are humiliated. We are tension in the office.
And we need our workers as we need our rights as workers in this office.
Okay. So, Edward, calm down, shake. I think I'll check out the matter. You say I'm told you're sick.
Yes, I'm very sick, my senior.
Okay, you go and get medical attention. And everybody else, can you get back to our working station?
Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
Alright. Steve,
Yes, sir.
see me after 30 minutes, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I hope you guys did a great job other than the concert that I've gotten. And I'm happy. Whereas dad is doing well, amputation was successful.
Wow.
How is the condition as of now?
Stable.
Can you go and visit him sooner?
Now we'll organize one by one, we'll go.
Thank you so much.
Alright?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Aise biro. Tukol kanyo kadhi maber matin.
Baba dina nikuwa. Ni beta.
Desi matona.
Biro mana muzi.
En nga. Oh, ma wi moro ma winjo ni keti gacha. Umera wugo oko. Nyathino kanu neno ka.
Baba ya dongo biro mana.
Nyathino wugo oko kata tugo kode. Ne kaka wiye chal. Umera wugo oko. Okalo neno nyathini ka. Ma nyathi ma seche tam ni keti ki wuok nyathi tibiro go muire kango. Wuogi oko kata tugo kode.
Biro mana neno ka kiti.
Owino, gol nyathino oko dhi oko kujo. Noti lung daktari gol oko kadwa neno nyathino kae. Wuog oko. Bili, idhi nade?
Adhi maber.
Tila?
Antie.
Bili nitie wach moro matimre ka.
Wach mane?
Kijana moro miluongo ni Joseph cha.
Japeng cha moro magoga.
Ma japeng'no kwere kuom nyara miluongo ni Desi. Nyathino kadwa nyathino timbene richo kadware kabisa.
Akwara ne to giore ya wuon.
Kwere kadware kayude to chiemo na potimone marach. Winjo?
Gitimo marach. Giwuo kode.
Iwuo kod nyathino kadware kuom nyara miluongo ni Desi.
To magier ne medite.
Wera no kada winjo. Iyerwo namba jagware. Ok adwa jagware ma jokwu. Kwere nyathino kadware. Winjo? Asewinjo weche ne gweng' ka marach. Kwere nyathino kadware. Ma wiyo yugno no. Ai kuom nyara miluongo ni Desi. Winjo? Kendo kik achak anene ir nyakre. Erokamano Bili. To gik ma wiyo yugno gi tibiro kelo ang'o ka?
Biro mana neno ka kiti.
Koro Desi ne baba duto ini biro kae.
Owino ng'ato.
Sasa umepotea? Niko fit. Nenda tuenda kwenye Batukola kufanya practice ile malines za song. Kesho utakuja? Sawa, tupatane kesho basi uje. Sawa. Haya. Sawa.
Enda tu hadi upite huko. Hizi kutoa
This your boy True Cola.
Aha, na fellow.
Kama kunipenda huwezi, basi nenda za kunivumilie. Hata nikitoa machozi, nitajipa moyo nitulie. Kama kunipenda huwezi, basi nenda za kunivumilie. Hata nikitoa machozi, nitajipa moyo nitulie.
Aha, sikia. Aha, aha, aha. Kupenda na kupenda sio penda kimakosa, ni muda baby tu, mimi naomba tu unipe. Wanafiki nao pia si unajua kusema sema, mimi na wewe hadi tule kalenda.
Yeah.
Aha, imeingia.
Iko fiti.
Sawa. Hii song tunataipenda.
Iko fiti, unajua tena sana. Mimi unajua na kesho najua natutegea na unajua juu mazuri tutakaa nayo.
Hata aona star nataipenda.
Lakini staro pia unajua yeye pia mambo gani? Kwa staro kama
hivi mimi niwezi. Hata niweza.
Sawa, acha kesho tuone vile tunabeba hizi nini. Hizi lyrics zetu tumeandika kesho tuingie 1 2 1 2 yani hapa pige na kazi yetu.
Sasa ni kitu nimeisha sio?
Tayari shaisha.
Dicho cha ber nigi pesa nigi gari to kineno ngamunya kama wuotho go. Magi ana ino le uchine lakini anto gima ber nani ya
last yude
last tel manga
mari miseso imfuku
nase yude mote ba What is this? Hello? My bad. Yeah, I'm kumoroka lakini sabi nakabera nitaiko kono tunkidogo sipokona Kutieno abo biro sawa ampe aeri
dilo chiek
nani pesa
cham nyathiwa
adwa chamo adwa
hero ingeni kata mara chana yudo kamano
yudo kamano
mano
gituo
ada
onge kero gino kayo
kiyudo tisoyo mfukuni
tibet go kero mano mara koro gima dwa timo nitie nyako moro kama nanene go nyako no ema dwa tieko chika koro dwa ni konya Please, okay, me have a day tomorrow. I'm here to come with you. I'm going to get a mathematics. I'm going to go to you. That is going to be long in my life. I take it on your back. I'm in love locally. So, I do see more. I don't want to dog this one. Edward Smart Church.
Teacher Mabel.
As soon as possible.
I'll go here. Doga teacher Mabel.
I'm going to get a some more mate. Marching upkeep. But I'm sure I borrow pesa here, can you?
I'll go.
I'm going to roll up a cado.
I'll come on.
You brought them a bed. I can't na madaktari mia progress okay hivi sawa Dunia saya mundu don kodi please ngoja kama
mama ajabe angoma na kosunienge mana bimna angoma na kosunienge mana bimna kosona chwanye kiachna mama bimna kosona chwanye kiachna mama bimna amami amana pareka biruiri kakoso katananga pareka na biruiri takoso katamanga nakoso nyaka pesa toera ne chuna nyaka neni nakoso nyaka pesa toera ne chuna nyaka neni abiru 10 mudolila oko jujugi goya toma goya goya toana erienge mana mama jabe winja mama nyiri matinde oloko kido nyiri matinde oloko kido